You need
That's
to
just
put,
one spot.
you need to put money on that. There's a superstitious belief that if you make it zero money over there, we're gonna be broke forever.
Stop taking it out of the wallet and hiding it in the house. Yeah.
It's making bad grade.
Bad grade. My wife doesn't. She's like my oldest kid, Kiana.
What?
Older. She. Oh, I don't know where it is. Ah. Did you look everywhere? Yeah, I looked everywhere. Right? Yeah, I looked everywhere. It's here. Somewhere. Somewhere. Oh.
This is 5 years old na lots. You never check here. Oh, over there.
Well,
Yeah, over here on the back.
Give me a pair of scissors.